Alright, here we're continuing with the practice test. We're on number 37. Solution with a molar concentration of 2 molar. 0.2 liter sample is diluted to 1,000 or 1 liter. What is the molar concentration of the diluted solution? So dilution equation is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So the initial molarity is 2 molar. The initial volume is a 0.2 liter solution. The final molarity is the thing that we want to know, and the final volume is 1 liter of solution. So we'll divide both sides by 1 liter. The liters cancel, and then I'll know the molarity. So 0.2 times 2, I believe that ends up being 0.4 molar for letter 37, or number 37. 38, same kind of problem now, except it's different numbers. So the M1 here is 3 molar. The V1 is 0.3 liter sample, and the M2 is unknown, and the volume 2 is 1 liter once again. So divide both sides by 1 liter. 0.3 times 3, the M2 ends up being 0.9 molar. And then 39, same type of math, exact same thing, this time 0.5 we start with, and it is 0.2 liters this time. And then it ends up being 1 liter right here, and the second molarity ends up being 0.1 molar. That's 39. Those are my dilution equation problems. Next page is number 4, or next problem is number 40. And these are prepare a solution problems. So we're given a certain number of grams that are put into a certain number of water, and then what is the molarity? Molarity, remember, is equal to moles divided by liters. So to find the molarity, we would have to take however many moles we have of solute and divide it by liters of the solution. And the solute in this case is sodium hydroxide. So the first thing we need to do is take our 20 grams of sodium hydroxide and convert that to moles. So put grams in a position where we're going to cancel. Moles is my new set of units. 40 grams in a mole when you add up NaOH on the periodic table. So that means it's 0.5 moles. So 0.5 moles divided by our number of liters, and we're told that we have 0.5 liters. So 0.5 divided by 0.5 means that we have a 1 molar solution. Number 41, similar problem, except for this time we're given 10 grams of sodium hydroxide, not 20. And in 1 mole of that we have 40 grams, and so that's 0.25 moles. And then the 0.25 moles would go into our molarity right here, and we divide that by our liters of solution, which in this case is 0.4. So 0.25 divided by 0.4 ends up being 0.625 molarity. Number 42, same exact problem, except this time we have 120 grams of sodium hydroxide. 1 mole, 40 grams in a mole, and so we have 3 moles total, and then we're going to take those 3 moles and divide it by our liters, which is 0.8 liters. Divide those two, and I believe we end up with 3.75 molar. That's the end of this page. Come back with the next set on the next video.